Good morning, my dear students. Students, in our last class, we have started our chapter Numbers. Here, in this class, we are studying how to factorize a given number in terms of prime numbers. How do we find factor of 16? What are the factors of 16? The method is first we divide with 2. If a digit is ending with an even number, then it is divisible by 2. It is we early discussed. So 8 2s are 16. Again we are factorizing by 2. 4 2s are 8. Again with 2, 2 2s are 4. So factors of 16 or 16 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next we want to find out factors. Factors. First 1. We know that 1 is a factor. Then the first 2. Okay, 2 is a factor. The next, take the next 2 1. 2 into 2 is a factor. Again 2 into 2 into 2 is another factor. The last, consider the last 4 2's. That is 1, 2, 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. These are the factors of 16, the number 16. This is the way how we find factors using factorization method. The next one, how to find factors of 48. 48, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again with 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again with 3, 2 is also possible. So 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4 here. That is 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, then we need to find out factors. First, we just take 4's. Factors. We need to find out what are the factors of 48. First, we need to take only the 2's. That is, first, 1 is the factor of every number. Then considering the first 2. Then next 2. 2 2's are 4. Then again 2 2's are 4 into 2, 8. Then 16. These are the one set of factors of 48. Next, we are multiplying 3. This number 3 with this each term. Here multiplied with 3. Here also with 3, 3, 3 and 3. Then we get the numbers 3. 3 2's are 6. 4 2's are 12. 8 2's are 24. And 16 3's are 48. Then this number 2. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, these are the factors of the number 48. Look at another example. We want to find out factors of 144. 2. 7 2's are 14. 2 2's are 4. Again with 2. 3 2's are 6. Carry with 1. 12. 6 2's are 12. Again we can multiply this with 3. 1 3's are 3. 2 3's are 6. Again it is possible with 3. 4 3's are 12. Then 2 2's are 4. Finish. Okay. So we can write 144 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again multiplied by 3 2 times. Now we want to find out factor. Okay, factors. So just first multiply the number, same number group. That is 1. Here 2 and 3's are common number that when we factorize 144. So no 3's. If we consider there is no 3, first one, 1 is factor of 144. The next one, taking the first 2. Then again 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. Okay, these are the one of the set factors with no 3. Then considering only 1 3. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. 4 3's are 12. 8 3's are 24. Then 16 3's are 48. Okay. Then there is also another 3 here. Then we next consider with 2 3's. 2 3 means 3 into 3. 2 3 is considered as 3 into 3. That is 9. 1 into 9 is 9. Then 2 into 9 it is 18. 4 into 9 it is 36. 8 into 9 it is 72. Then 16 into 9 it is 144. These are the factors of the number 144. This is the way how we find out the factors of a given number. Next, find the factor of 200. 200 with factorization, we get 100, again 2, 50, again with 2, 25, 5 5's are 25. So 200 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied with 5 into 5. Or in terms of powers, 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. Okay, this is the same way. 2 is repeating in 3 times, that is 2 raised to 3. Here 5 is repeating 2 times. So we can write it as 5 raised to 2. Next we need to find out factors. Here 2 and 5 are the prime factors that belong to the number 200. So if we draw a table with no 2, then 1 2, 2 2's and 3 2's. Okay, the maximum number of 2 is 3. Then we want to find out the 5 also. First set, if there is no 5, then 1 5 and with 2 5's. Okay, from this table we can get the number of factors of 200. First with no 5. If there is no 5 and no 2. First one is 1. In 1 there is no 1 and 2. There is no 5 and 2. Okay. The next one 1 2. That is 2 into no 5. That means 1. Again 2 2's means 2 into 2. No 5, 1. Then 3 2's, 2 into 2 into 2 with no 5, 1. Then 1 5, no 2. So 5 into 1. No 2. So here also there is no 2 here. Then next 2 into 5. Next 2 into 2 into 5. Then next one 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then the last one 2 5's. That is 5 into 5 into 1. There is no 2 here, so we can consider it as 1. Next 1 2 into 2 5's. And the next one, 2 2s and 2 5s. And the last one, 3 2s and 2 5s. When we get the product of these numbers, these are the factors of 200. Okay, that means 1, 2, 4, 8, 5, 10, 20, 40, 25, 50, 100 and 200. These are the factors of 200. This is the best way to find out factors of a given number. Look at this problem 720. We want to find factors of 720. In our early two problems, we have find only two set numbers. But here there is three numbers. How can we find the factors? First, make the column like this. No 3, 1 3 and 2 3s. Okay, here no 2, 1 2 and 2 2s, 3 2s. And this is the early method that we considered. But here is an addition term, that is 5. So, if this is the set with no 5, here we want to arrange another set with 5 also. That way, when we expand this table with 1 5. Okay, with 1 5. No 2 means no 2 and no 3 means no 5. So 1 into 1 into 1. Next with no 3. That means 1. 1 2 and no 5 1. 2 2s. That means 2 2s means 4. No 3 1. No 5 1. 3 3s. That means 8. 4 into 8. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 1 into 1. There is no 3 and no 5. Moving to the next 1 3. That is 1 into 3 into 1. Here 1 2 into 3 into 1. Here 2 2s are 4. Then 1 3. No 5. Then here 3 2s. 1 3. No 5. Same manner here. 2 3s 9. 9 into 1 into 1. Then here 2 into 9 into 1. Here 4 into 9 into 1. Here it is 8 into 9 into 1. Here we get the factors with no 5 and others. Then 1 5. Same thing is repeating here. Okay, same thing. Again, no 3. So 1. No 2. 1. But here 1 5 is there. So 1 into 1 into 5. Then again 1 into 2 into 5. Next 4 into 1 into 5. 8 into 1 into 5. Next 1 3. 1 3 means 3. No 2 1 5. Here 3 into 2 into 5. Next 4 into 3 into 5. 8 into 3 into 5. Again 2 3s. That is 9. 9 into 1 into 5. 9 into 2 into 5. Then 2 2s. 4 into 9 into 5. Last one, 8 into 9 into 5. These are the product of these numbers are the factors of 720. If there is one more 5, we can expand the column once again with 2 5s. Okay, so the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 9, 18, 36, 72, 144. The next set 5, 10, 20, 40, 80. Next one 15, 30, 60, 120, 240. Then the last set is 45, 90, 180, 360 and 720. These are all the factors of the number 720. You can see the explanation in our textbook how we are finding the factors of a given number using prime factorization method. Okay. This is your one of the homework. Find all factors of the numbers below. You can see there 242, 400, 225 and 1000 are the numbers. This is your second work. Factorize each of the numbers below as the product of primes and write all factors in a table. Write also the number of factors of each. First, we want to find the factors and list it in the table as we have studied in our session. Then we want to find out the number of factors. For example, if 72 has 15 number of factors, we want to write the number of factors as 72 has 15 factors. Like this, you want to find all factors of these 9 numbers and find the number of factors of each also.